In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the GetResponse affiliate program. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, so you know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and what to expect after you submit your application. First, make sure you're already logged into your GetResponse account and you're on your main dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small person or profile icon there. Go ahead and click that icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that list, select the option labeled Affiliate Program. When you click it, the page will reload and take you to a section dedicated to the affiliate program. On this new page, look for a button or link that says Learn More. Click on Learn More to see additional details about the program benefits, commission structure, and how it works. After that page loads, you should now see a button that says Sign Up Now. Click Sign Up Now to open the actual application form. You'll now be on the affiliate sign up page, where you'll need to provide information about yourself and your business. Start by entering your first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear in your profile. Then type in a valid email address that you check regularly, since this is where updates about your application and program will be sent. Next, add your business name and your website. If you have more than one website, choose the one that best represents how you plan to promote GetResponse. After that, select your country from the drop-down list so the system can apply the correct settings for your region. You'll see a question asking whether you are currently part of any other affiliate programs, and if yes, which ones. This question is optional, so you can answer it if it's relevant or leave it blank. You'll also be asked how you plan to promote GetResponse to your audience. Here, be as specific as you can. Mention if you'll use a blog, a YouTube channel, email marketing, paid ads, or social media. Clear, detailed answers can help your application. You can also add your social media links and indicate whether you're an agency. These fields are optional as well, but they can provide helpful context about your reach and experience. Once you've filled out all the required fields and reviewed everything for accuracy, scroll down and click Submit Application. After submitting, your application may take up to 72 hours to be processed. During this time, just keep an eye on your email for any updates or approval notifications from GetResponse.